Привіт-привіт, my dear students. My name is Ina and welcome to my YouTube channel Speak Ukrainian. In this video lesson, I'm going to teach you how to say I would like in Ukrainian language. But before we start, you should subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video and leave your comments about it. So, поїхали! Let's get it started. How to say I would like something in Ukrainian language. You can ask me, can I say I want, like я хочу? Of course you can say я хочу, but it is not polite and it may sound like rude, like I want, я хочу. So therefore you should say I would like something. So let me teach you this construction. It's not difficult. In order to remember it, you just need to repeat it several times, then make some examples with it, and then it will stick in your head. That's a simple formula. Okay, so such variants of this phrase is хотів би, хотіла б, and хотіли б. Хотів би, хотіла б, хотіли б. So, as you can see, yes, this is past form endings, you're right. So, although when you say I would like something, you express like something that you want to get, so it's kind of future in English. Yes, I would like some coffee, but in Ukrainian we use past simple forms. Хотів би. So хотів, this ending в, it's past tense ending for masculine gender. So if you are a man and you want to say I would like some coffee, so you say я хотів би кави. Я хотів би кави. You can ask me, Ina, what does it mean бы? What does it mean? Бы doesn't have any translation in English, and this is a particle. With the help of this particle, we express this politeness. So please just remember that я хотів би, it means I would like something, and this is the form for man, because it has this masculine gender ending v. Okay, feminine one. If you're a woman, you should say я хотіла б. Я хотіла б кави. I would like some coffee. Я хотіла б кави. Ina, why for masculine gender ending there is the particle b, b plus u, and with the feminine one, я хотіла б, just a single letter b. What is that? Huh? I will answer you. So, that's the thing of phonetics, guys. As you know, Ukrainian language is very melodic and harmonious one. Therefore, we can add sometimes vowels to the like some these particles, or we have like different variants for prepositions, like you can say v and it means in, or you can say u and it also means v. Yeah, so that's the thing of phonetics. Я хотів би, it is easier to pronounce in this way, just adding this vowel to the particle b, and я хотіла би, it sounds phonetically easier. So that's the thing, no difference in meaning. So я хотіла б кави. Okay, and plural form, for example, вони хотіли б кави. Я хотів би кави, masculine. Я хотіла б кави, feminine. Вони хотіли б кави, plural form. And we use in the past tense these verbs for construction I would like, if you want to sound polite in Ukrainian language? Okay, some tricky things that you can ask me. Inna, why don't you use the accusative case? According to the rule, and I have your book, Master Ukrainian Cases, and I read there that according to the rule, when there is a construction, subject, predicate, and object, when we have an object, I have to use the accusative case. Yes, you're right. So you can say, я хотів би каву. You can also say, я хотіла б каву, and вони хотіли б каву. You can say like this, when you just say, I want coffee. They want coffee. She wants coffee. You can say like this. But when you want to say some, when you say in English some, I have this rule in my textbook, by the way. Genitive case rule number 7. With the particle some, we use genitive case in Ukrainian language. So, 2 variants are correct. When you say I would like, you can use whether genitive or accusative case after it. If you want to say I want coffee, you say я хотіла б каву. If you want to say I would like some coffee, я хотіла б кави. Каву, accusative, кави, genitive, because this is a feminine gender noun. Okay, another thing, so I gave you examples how to use nouns after this construction I would like to. And also you can use verbs. For example, I would like to work a little bit. Я хотіла б працювати. So after this construction, we use verbs in the infinitive form. So that's good, that's easy, you don't have to change them or to conjugate them. So just use the verb. Я хотів би працювати. I would like to work. Я хотіла б працювати. It's feminine, так, and вони хотіли б працювати. They would like to work. Okay, so please write your examples with this construction in the comments below, and I would like to check it out. If you still have lots of problems with Ukrainian language, you don't know how to use this construction, you don't know what is the past tense, what is the case, etc., then I highly recommend you to book a trial lesson at my website speaky.com, and just for $1 you will get a trial lesson with a professional native teacher. I have a team of teachers who work together with me in my school, and they are all with a bachelor's, master's degree in linguistics. They have PhD, so we work together and we have very great results of our students. Also, subscribe to my Instagram account, Speak Ukrainian Language. Thank you for your donations. You keep me motivated to create more lessons for you. And please check out my charity store. Buy a t-shirt, save Ukrainian life. Дуже дякую, your teacher Inna, and Papa, and Slava Ukraini!